Queen He Huang-ok of Korea and her Ayodhya connection. Once inaugurated on November 4, the spruced up space will be known as Queen Hui Huang-ok Memorial Park after a Korean queen believed to have had Indian roots. On the banks of Sarayu in Ayodhya, acres of green space, mostly known as Ram Katha Park, have been through a major beautification exercise. Once inaugurated on November 4, this spruced up space will be known as Queen Hui Huang Koke Memorial Park after a Korean queen believed to have had Indian roots. Earlier this month, the Delhi based Korean Center for Culture, in collaboration with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, showcased a musical depicting the story of the Queen at Kamani Auditorium. Directed by actor and director Imran Khan, the legend of Princess Sriratna commemorated the completion of the park in Ayodhya. Who was Queen Hui Hankoke? She was a Korean queen who is believed to have been born Princess Suriratna of Ayodhya, daughter of King Padmasen and Indumati. Padmasen ruled the ancient kingdom of Kausala region that extended from present-day UP to Odisha. Her story is described in Samyuk Yusa, a 13th century collection of legends, folk tales, and history of Korea's three kingdoms, Goryeo, Baekje, and Silla, and some other regions. In 48 BC, the princess, then 16, traveled to Korea from the ancient land of Ayutthaya and married Kim Soro, founder and king of Gyeongnam Gaya in southern eastern Korea. She traveled by boat along with an entourage, having been sent by her fathers, who is said to have had a dream about her marrying Suro. She became the first queen in Gyeongnam Gaya, believed to be located around modern-day Gyeonghae city in southern Gyeongso province. The couple are said to have had 12 children. What in her legacy? More than 6 million present-day Koreans trace their lineage to Hui Hong Oke. They belong to clans such as Gimhae King, Yo the Queen, and had asked the king and two of their sons be given her maiden name and Lee. Her direct descendants include King Yong-hung, wife of former South Korean President Lee, King Suro, and Queen Hui Wanko Oke, birthed the Karak dynasty, whose descendants include former South Korean President Kim Dae-jung and former Prime Minister Kim Jong-pil. For years now, many Koreans have visited Ayodhya to pay homage to the king's ancestral home. In Gimhae and South Korea, two tombs believed to be Kim Shuro and Queen Hee Hwang Oke are maintained as a memorial park. A pagoda believed to have been brought by the queen from India to calm the ocean gods is placed next to the tomb. Culturally, the queen has been part of Korea's popular culture for years, with many plays and musicals based on her. What led to setting up Memorial Park in Ayodhya? In 2000, India and South Korea signed an agreement to develop Ayodhya and Gimhae as sister cities. The memorial space was unveiled in 2001. In 2016, a proposal was sent by South Korean delegation to refurbish the existing memorial. Subsequently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and South Korean President Moon Jae-in signed an MOU for developing the memorial. South Korean First Lady Kim Jong-suk attended the inauguration of the beautification work in 2018. The memorial now comprises Queen and King pavilions with their busts in place and a pond to represent Princess Suriratna's journey. According to the legend, the princess had taken a golden egg to Korea, and the park includes an egg made of granite. How much of her Indian connection is established as fact? The story has helped push the relationship between India and South Korea. But there is some debate about her Indian origins. There are many versions of the same story. While Samyuk Yusa talks about the queen from a distant land named Ayutthaya and popular culture consider it Ayodhya, no Indian document or scripture has any record of her. Some historians also believe that the princess could actually be from Thailand's Ayutthaya kingdom, but the kingdom in Thailand came about in 1350 years after Samyuk Yusa had already been written. Thank you.